Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to bind the back paddles on your GameSir G7 SE controller. First, make sure your controller is connected to your console or PC and powered on. To start the process, you need to enter mapping mode. Locate the M button on the bottom center of the controller. Now press and hold the M button together with the back paddle you want to customize, either L4 or R4. Hold both buttons at the same time for about 3 seconds. Keep holding until you see the indicator light below the Xbox button begin to flash slowly. When the light is flashing, it means the controller is now in mapping mode and ready to receive a new button input. Next, press the button you want to assign to that paddle. For example, you can press A, B, or almost any other standard button on the controller. Once you press the button, look at the indicator light again. It will stop flashing and turn solid. This solid light confirms that the mapping has been saved successfully. You can also customize the paddles using the GameSir Nexus app. Open the app, go to the Profile section, and select the option to remap buttons. Choose the paddle and assign the function you prefer. Save your settings before exiting. Thanks for watching.